Hey guys, so what I'm going to do tonight is something that I like to do every now and then, and that's recreate the celebrity dish. For tonight, what I'm going to do is Jamie Oliver's flat iron steak. Now, he says that the flat iron steak is his choice over filet mignon, over ribeye, over all the other better cuts. So let's go ahead, follow that recipe, see just how easy it is, and then how it tastes. Let's get started. Okay, my meat's been sitting out for about 20 minutes now. You definitely don't want to take it right out of the refrigerator and try to cook it. You want it to warm up a little bit closer to room temperature. I have also fresh thyme, some fresh garlic, pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, some Irish butter, and I'm going to use avocado oil, which is really good for cooking at high heat temperatures. Okay, so I'm getting ready to cook up the steaks. What I'm going to use is a cast iron skillet. I like using the cast iron skillet. You get a nice high heat and nice distribution with the cast iron skillet. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. Let's turn this up to high heat. Okay. Now I do believe we want that to just start to smoke a little bit before we add the oil, and then we'll start throwing on the steaks. Okay, so the steak has been removed off the heat. It's been resting here for about 10 minutes. And let's go ahead and slice into this. Let's see how this tastes. Okay, so now something that I did is I took a little bit of olive oil and I mixed it together with the juices that naturally released out of that meat, and I drizzled it all over those slices. This should taste delicious. Let's give it a try. That is delicious. The garlic, the thyme, the salt, all come together and make this an absolutely delicious steak. One of my favorites. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Check out more recipes on my channel. Thanks again.